Good morning! Breakfast po tayo. Shoutout sa buong mundo, Middle East, Australia, US. Ito, Sumansalia. Malunggay at ginger tea. Ano to? Niyog?
I think that is Ethan and Lily. Don't you owe me an explanation?
Lily was upset. I just brought her out to have fun.
That isn't. She has 4 older brothers. Why must she look for you? We're getting engaged on the 6th next month, don't you know?
It is true.
When he was Charlotte's young, you seduced him, and I didn't care.
Saging din kami, saging.
Don't mess with
Let her go. I'll stay with you today.
me. Keep her out of my sight.
Kamuting kahoy. Yan ang almusal namin.
Jessica Shea.
What a piece of trash. Room 201.
Almusal ng taga-bukid.
Ang damag umuulan, tulo ng tulo din sa
Are we going to buy this abandoned factory? What are
Ang
we going to
damag
do?
umuulan, tulo ng
How
tulo
about
din.
raising pigs and
Ito.
chickens?
Doon sa badya.
2 months from now.
Hindi, alas 4 ko lang sinahod yun. Natutulog ako, lumakas. Tak naramdaman ko.
Amazing kasi ito eh.
Alas 4.
Hinihi ako eh. Umuulan.
Alas 3, wala pa nun.
No need. Once the demolition order is issued, the
Ako
sellers
na
might
naglagay
know
ng batya
this
na yun.
factory is enough.
Understood.
Uncle Frank, you can buy some if you want. A few houses will be fine.
Never mind. I don't want any trouble. Following the two women is enough.
Once we make a profit, I'll give you a bonus.
Too bad.
Simula nung nag-an sila doon, hindi na. Simula nung dati, hindi naman tumutulo din. Nawala tulo sa kanya, sa atin naman tumulo.
Charlie, check online.
Hindi ba noong nakaraan eh, kahit anong lakas ng ulan.
Di mo nanay!
Charlie, won't this affect you?
Saging.
But I've already cut ties with them.
Go ahead. How much compensation do you want? Name your price. Compensation? After a scandal like this, how is my daughter supposed to get married? She can marry however she wants. Your daughter repeatedly seduced my son. As her parents, did you really not know? I still have the chat logs. Want
Thank
to
you
see
for
them?
watching.